Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Mr. AR. Today we are diving into an essential aspect of becoming a tech-savvy wizard, keyboard shortcuts. Learning these magical key combinations can truly transform the way you interact with your computer. Keyboard shortcuts are not only time savers, but also productivity boosters, enabling you to navigate your Windows 10 like a pro. Let's get started. If you have opened so many applications and want to access the desktop, instead of minimizing them all and wasting your time, press Windows key plus D to directly go to the desktop. All of your opened apps will be minimized. Press again to open that all minimized apps. This will save your time without using your mouse. Now, if you want to open the File Explorer, press Windows plus E on the keyboard to directly open the File Explorer. Pressing Windows plus S on the keyboard will open a search bar to search your apps you want to use or manage. Now, if you want to switch between the opened apps without navigating to the taskbar and using your mouse, press Alt key plus Tab on the keyboard to quickly switch between the opened apps without navigating to the taskbar. If you are working on your PC and suddenly you have to go for a while and also do not want anyone else use it, without shutting down your PC, press Windows key plus L on your keyboard to lock your PC and keep your privacy. These shortcuts will save your time and boost your productivity. Now, for our power users and multitasking users out there, here are some advanced shortcuts. If you want to display two or more than two apps on one screen without manually setting them and also without using your mouse, press Windows key plus left or right keys on your keyboard to snap your window left or right. You can add maximum 4 apps at a time. If you want to create a new virtual desktop, press Windows plus Ctrl plus D keys on your keyboard to create a new virtual desktop. And if you want to navigate between your previous and new desktop, press Windows plus Ctrl plus arrows key to do that. Do you know that you do not want an additional software for capturing screenshot? Press Windows plus print screen key to capture the entire screen. And if you want to capture the selected area only, like I'm showing you, you just only have to subscribe my channel and I will tell you that in the end of this video. With these shortcuts, multitasking and organization become a breeze. Managing files are easier with these shortcuts instead of wasting your time with your mouse. Press Ctrl plus C on the keyboard to copy a file. Press Ctrl plus X on the keyboard to cut a file and press Ctrl plus P on the keyboard to paste the file in your clipboard or the file you copied. Press F2 on the keyboard to rename the selected file or folder. Give it a name you want or you like. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on the keyboard to create a new folder. Say goodbye to tedious file management. When it comes to text editing and navigation, these shortcuts are invaluable. To select the entire text, press Ctrl plus A on the keyboard. If you want to undo an action, press Ctrl plus Z on the keyboard. To find any word or sentence in a text, press Ctrl plus F on the keyboard. To find a word or text or a letter in a passage. Press Home or End key on your keyboard to move the cursor to the beginning or end of the line. And finally, some hidden gems you probably didn't know about. Press F10 on your keyboard to navigate to the menu of any software you are using. Press Shift plus Delete key on your keyboard to permanently delete an item without moving it in your recycle bin. Now it is time to tell the shortcut to capture the selected area, which I told you before. Press Windows plus Shift plus S key on your keyboard to activate it and mark your area you want to capture, and it will be saved to your clipboard. We hope that you enjoyed this guide to mastering Windows shortcuts. Try them out and let us know which ones find you most useful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.